Is it me? Is it me? Am I too tough on Walmart Spark? I recently rated it in like the bottom third of my side hustle list. Hi, by the way, my name's Mike. I help you make money in different side hustles. I mean, look at this, $51.13. I just got to drive 8.7 miles. What's that? Got to do a little shopping. I'm sure that's not bad. Let's click on this here. It's a shop and deliver. And how many items? 50 for 46 minutes. I mean, that doesn't sound bad, $51 for 46 minutes of shopping, but I gotta get down there. Okay, let's assume I was close by to the store, right? Well, that's assuming that nothing's gonna go wrong. So today, I'm giving Walmart Spark another chance, since all I do here is help you make money in different side hustles. So let's see if I'm gonna get something that's a little more attractive that doesn't involve 46 minutes of shopping. How long would you wait on an app without getting a good request? Because I'm sitting here for like 10, 12, maybe 15 minutes. All I'm getting is shop and deliver. Yeah, I'm getting 3 in a row here, and it's all for, it's not like a ton of items, but I don't want to do shop and deliver. I mean, you got to go in that Walmart, you got to pick the items, you got to go to the checkout. I guess it's pretty seamless. I've only done one, but I like the ease of having an associate pull the items for me. Hopefully I can get an actual run. Now, I'm not near the Walmart or a Sam's, but that has never prevented the app from giving me a request. So I'm guessing it's a slow day. Hopefully this picks up. Okay, I'm on the move, and I think we're all learning a valuable lesson. So imagine this. You're looking for a side hustle. You see this Walmart Spark thing, like, all right, Walmart, Sam's, I gotta go down there, I gotta make a pickup. Well, I have yet to get a request, and this is what I'm hunting for. I'm trying to get this $13 incentive per request, which is crazy. Now, it's far away from me, but we're just gonna assume, you're close to the Walmart or the Sam's Club. Now, here's the point. So again, if you're looking for a side hustle, you hear about Spark, you sign up, you get activated, and you're looking for a request, and you're doing what I'm doing, like, well, I might as well drive down to the Walmart to get a request. I have yet to get anything. And there's no guarantee when I get even closer to the store that I'm gonna get a regular merchandise order apart from the shop and deliver that we've been seeing here. So this is why you have to diversify. Once I get a request and I get to the pickup zone, I don't want to wait longer than 5 minutes. I'm going to set a timer, 5 minutes. Why? Because my problem, insofar as just getting orders today, but it's the wait time at the Walmarts. So you don't want to wait for a request, then you go to the Walmart, then you have to wait like 15 minutes. I'm at the one that's supposedly going to give a $13 bonus. So, okay, here's what I saw once I really got close to the Walmart, is I did see some curbside pickups. That's what we're looking for, not the shop and deliver. I'll take it if it's less than 10 items and it's a good payout, but I want the curbside pickups. So let's find out together, am I gonna actually get the curbside pickups? Are they actually gonna be worth it? Or is this gonna be a complete bust shift? Come on, store 2351. Here in PA, in West Mifflin. It's never been like this. Let's see what happens. See, even here's a dilemma. It gives me a drop-down notification on my phone, first come, first serve, which builds urgency. They're like, hey, you better take it if you want it. It's $14.76 for 8.7 miles. It's not that good. 8.7 miles, I want double it. Always. I want $2 plus per mile, because I got to come back here as well. So that's what, at least 16, 17, 18? Would be fantastic on this. Look at this order request, $59.06. Yeah, sounds pretty good, right? But it's 33.7 miles. And moreover, it is 16 orders. So if I click on it, look how many stops you'd have to make. Can you imagine driving this route for $59? Yes, 16 stops. That's like close to an Amazon Flex shift. 16 is going to take you a good amount of time, and it's going to probably be a whole ton of stuff, certainly to fill up your car. I am honestly just surprised that those are orders on Walmart Spark. My gosh, I finally got some, oh my God, finally got something that was decent. $23.31. 8.7 miles for 2 drops. Now it says curbside pickup at 245. It's only 223. And I've tried this before, but I don't believe it's going to let me pick it up any earlier. I don't know. I'm going to go over there and try to check in, but I don't even think it's going to. Let me see if I click on it right now. Yeah. Yep. It says it's too early to start. No way. So I'm going to have to sit here for another. See, this is why I do this, folks. Can you drop a like on this video? Can you consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already? Yeah. If it says the pickup's at 2:45, it's gonna be at 2:45. See, why would they do this? This is one thing that I don't like on Spark. Why would you send the request to the driver if it's not gonna be ready in till 20 minutes? It's got to be geotag based like every other app, like food delivery does. So DoorDash does not send the request to the dasher until the restaurant in their Merchant Central, that's like the iPad thing that they use, clicks on like it's ready. And then, or the prep time that they've indicated. Then it pings the driver based on the distance, well, in part based on distance to the restaurant. If it sends it to me, and assuming this is, I don't know, round robin, I'm the only one looking at it, let's say, then why would you ping me if I'm literally in the parking lot if it's not a pickup for 20 minutes? Why wouldn't you ping drivers that are 5, 10, maximum 20 minutes away? Because then the system makes sense. You don't have someone sitting here for 20 minutes. I mean, yeah, I get it. Yes, there are shop and delivers I could have done, so I get it. But if you just want to do standard curbside runs that I'm doing right now, I don't know. Okay, so it wouldn't let me check in and start until my ETA was like on top of their ETA. So I'm parked and the timer started. So we got 5 minutes. So let's see if their suggested pickup time of 2:45, which it is 2:39, right? Well, it's 2:40 right now on the dot. 5 minutes. Let's see how accurate this is. Okay, so 14-minute mark, and the status went from getting ready to ready. So let's see. We still got to wait for an associate to come out that door with my racks of groceries and stuff. Shouldn't be too much longer, but certainly not 5 minutes. Are you a patient person? So clearly, I have my bags now. 2 customers. I'm on my way to the first drop-off. So it was not 5 minutes, surprisingly. Suggested pickup time, 2:45 p.m. I get there at 2:45 p.m. The challenge was to be ready in 5 minutes, indicating that Walmart was running efficiently. They're picking their items. So when the associate finally came over with my stuff, well, actually before that, he was checking on the orders. I asked him, I said, is it slower right now? He said, absolutely. And I said, yeah, because it took me a while even to get this request. So it was slower. Obviously, if you're doing this, if it's like dead slow, I would suggest to look at other niches. So the final wait time was not 5 minutes. It was not 10 minutes. It was not 20 minutes. The final time was 33 minutes at the Walmart. 33 minutes. Look, I've already downgraded Walmart to the bottom third of my side hustle list for you. It's going down even lower, near the bottom. This keeps happening, and I had to drive down here. Best case scenario, you live right by Walmart, but can you imagine getting a request that's hopefully decent on the dollars to mile ratio and be just sitting there stonewalling you for 33 minutes? And now I have what? 8 minutes to my first customer, probably another 8-9 minutes to the second customer. What are your thoughts down below? Let me know. Okay, I'm done. It's completed. What did we learn today collectively? That Walmart Spark has bumped down to the bottom of my list for side hustles for you. That it's a small sample size. Okay, comment down below. That'll be a bigger sample size. Comment down below if you do Spark, how long do you typically have to wait at a Sam's or a Walmart? Today, 33 minutes, which is unfortunately on trend for what I've been seeing there. I mean, mileage wise, 19.4. That's on my odometer. That was from the starting zone down south to the Walmart and then the 2 delivery locations. So is Spark worth it for you? Is it worth it in 2023? Maybe another type of order, maybe if you're closer to a Walmart or a Sam's, but still that wait time. Shop and deliver. Could it be shop and deliver? Because then you can control the time. Comment down below. Drop a like on this video if you appreciate just me going out there for you. So you don't have to hopefully wait 33 minutes. You can click or tap the screen right here for one of my newest videos, as well as a video recommended for you, and I'll see you in the next one.